Mildred.
Oh. Oh, goodness. It's so hot out here. Oh, Melvenia.
It feels nice out here. A nice summer day.
Yeah, you picked the hottest day of the year. You come out here. You know he told us we could pick the week and you're going to choose the day. Come on here. Let's just get this over with.
Why you always have to complain?
Oh,
it's complain. This flower bed sure needs some work, sister.
It is. Oh, my God. Look at
Watch yourself now.
No, come on. You work over there. And all of this. Oh, my God. Who is that?
Ooh.
Wait a minute.
Sister, hold up.
Hey, you.
Hey, you bum. Wake up.
What you doing in the church flower bed?
What you mean? What I'm doing in the flower bed? I'm up here weeding the flowers.
Weeding the flowers?
I don't see no grass where I'm standing.
Oh my goodness! You just come down from here right now.
What you mean, come down?
We don't know how to flower you. Come down from there. We got to clean this out.
Wait a minute, my sister.
Oh my goodness! Get close, Melvenia.
Wait a minute.
What's your name anyway?
Kid Dynamite.
What?
Kid Dynamite. They call me JJ.
Oh my goodness!
I'm the Kid Dynamite.
Oh my God!
Oh, that's what y'all want. What y'all doing?
Just get down. Get down. This is
Down, sir. Exit. You
This the
all
church.
in the church flower bed? Move back.
Baby, this my bed. This is my bed. I'm church flower bed. This my bed. I'm sleeping, and y'all come in with all this noise waking me up. I'm the Kid Dynamite.
I'll tell you what, if you don't get down from here, I'm calling the po-po on you. This is private property.
Hold on, my
Hold up
sister.
nothing. We need you to just get the step
You ain't got to call the police on me.
Just get out of here.
I
Oh my
tell
God.
you,
I
Mildred.
told you this was a dangerous job anyway.
What you mean, dangerous, my sister?
You can't even walk straight. Look, that's why it's dangerous.
Oh my
Ooh,
God.
he smell, Mildred. What is that?
Oh my God, just get on. Just get on. And don't come back over here. Oh goodness. Come on, man. Let's hurry up before it get dark. Ain't no telling who else gonna come over here. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh my God. I'm tired already. I'm gonna run into no what they call that? I believe.
No,
What it is?
Cousin
Oh my
Ivy.
God.
Come on here, Dad.
Oh look, ain't that Stick? Oh,
Hey, that's my favorite ladies.
hey Deacon Brown.
How you doing there?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How y'all doing? I see y'all in that garden now.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah, we're trying to make it beautiful for the pastor.
That's good. Y'all
Yeah.
get back to y'all work now.
Oh yeah. I tell you what, boy. Look like you picked up a lot of money in that offering pot Sunday.
But all that money is the Lord's money.
Yeah.
Y'all take care of me.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're right.
sir.
Yeah, right. He just seen them new clothes. His wife been wearing.
You know it, Mildred.
And they got a new car too. You think he pocketing some of that money, all that money?
We said you look nice.
Yeah.
All right, but y'all take care.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, just keep sweeping.
I bet they put all that money in
They
their
sure
pocket.
is. Come on. But you know, you ain't heard that from Mildred and Melvenia. Let's go back and do our work. Oh goodness. Yeah. Oh goodness. Oh, it's just terrible. I don't see how they let this get like this.
Well, Mildred,
Oh.
stop complaining.
And what you gonna do? You just been standing there since we out here.
Bucket, so when you fix something, they're like, come on,
Oh
girl.
my goodness. Oh my God. You know what? I'm tired already. Can we just rest? I'm thirsty. I was tired before I got here.
Ain't
Just
done
got
a
to tell the
thing
truth. Oh my goodness.
Come on here, sister.
Whew. Oh goodness, I'm so tired.
Hardly done anything.
I know it's time before we came here. You know, oh God, I don't know why. Pastor got us old as we is out here tending to this garden.
You know what? I always wonder, what was he thinking about? You know he never thinks of anything that makes sense to me. It sort of kind of sound like you, Mildred.
I don't know about all that, but it just I done started itching and stuff from Melvenia. You know, if I have to go to the doctor, the church gonna pay for it.
You don't try to make the church pay for everything that happened to you.
Yeah.
Just like when you fell down in church Sunday and your dress stuck up in your bottom, you want to charge the church for that. And it was on you. You should have wore a slip.
Yeah. And anyway, I don't see the pastor wife coming out here. We out here, you know, we nearly 80-something years old, and we out here working in the church garden. This should be a shame. They should go to jail for this.
You know the pastor's wife, you can't hardly get her to get to Sunday school. You know she's not coming out here and work in the gardens. Only the Hickenbottom sister is garden worthy.
Yeah, you right about that. Huh? Oh, church? Church is at 10 o'clock on Sundays.
Oh, it sure is. And it'll be nice to see you again. It's been 2 years since they've been here.
Yeah, and bring all them children you got with you too.
Oh, except for Leroy. You know he bad as Bob.
He sure is. He'll tear the church down. Okay, we'll be looking for you Sunday.
See you later. And why don't you do something with that muffler? That thing sounds a mess, huh?
Oh, God, yeah, it sure is.
I think we better get back. We done enough out here.
Yeah, we sure is.
We just got them few little weeds we need to pick over there.
Yeah, and I tell you what, this time, can you help do some work? All you do is be talking. Oh my God! You haven't worked enough to eat.
I'm gonna be ready just once out.
Oh my goodness! Lord, let's get the moving forward. Get dark out here. Oh goodness! Now you get over here and prune over here, and so we can go home. You know, that's a terrible neighborhood. We gotta go home. I'm gonna get right here. You just get over there. Oh goodness! Oh, what is this? Oh! I think it's a Royal Crown bottle. These nasty people pass by here and they throw their bottles. Oh goodness.
Maybe the pastor had him a little nip or something.
Oh my God. Look, Melvenia. We done hit the jackpot. Ooh, shh. We gotta act like ain't nothing happened. We need to go. We need to go home. We're gonna tell them you got sick. Let's go. Oh goodness.
What's the Mildred?
Oh, come on. Come on here.
Ain't nothing happened.
Come on here. We moving out the hood.
We ain't found. That was absolutely nothing we found.
Bye, Mr. Brown.
Bye, Mr. Brown. I hope he gone home.
Oh goodness. Come on here, Melvenia. Oh, I'm so tired. That bus, out of all days, that bus took the longest to get us home. Oh, you know.
At least he got us here.
Oh, I got it. Did you lock the door? Somebody come in. Oh, please. Oh, goodness. Oh, my God. I knew something was going to happen today because my left hand was just itching and then my right one was itching, and then my leg down here was itching, and then the other one started itching.
Shut up, Mildred.
I just knew we was going to get a lot of money. Oh, my goodness. Oh, we about to get out of the neighborhood. We about to get out of the neighborhood. Oh, boy, this a lot of some money.
Mildred.
What?
You know that money belongs to somebody else. It's not our money.
What?
It's not ours, and we have to give it back.
Finders, keepers, the losers, they gonna be weeping tonight because it's ours. Anyway, how you know this went from a bank robbery? It wasn't a Royal Crown bag.
Doesn't make it right, Mildred, and you know this. We have to do what's right, Mildred. We have to give that money back.
Oh, Melvenia, just go sit down because your brain going to your feet. You're not thinking right.
Let's not talk about whose brain is doing what.
You're not thinking, Melvenia. Just listen.
I am thinking, Mildred.
Oh, I'm so nervous. I never had this much of money in my hands in all my days. Melvenia, maybe if you feel it, just feel it.
Just calm down.
Oh, just feel it. It's a lot. I ain't gonna give it to you. You just feel it.
Let me feel that money, girl.
See, just feel it. Oh, that's a lot of money, Melvenia. You know what we could do? I can get my third set of teeth. And you can get your hair implant. Yeah, and you don't have to wear no wig. Oh, goodness.
And then maybe you can get a brain implant. Put call the police.
No, wait, just wait. Don't call her. Listen, Melvenia. You know we've been praying. We need to move. You done got too big for this house. We can't hardly move around and stuff. This house is old, Melvenia. And we need the money. The Lord blessed us with this. This the Lord's doing. And it is marvelous in His eyes. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. That's good money, Melvenia. Come on.
I'm so surprised at you right now, Mildred. I can't get over you right now. Here it is. Some money has been found. It's either for somebody or the bank or something. Mildred, you gotta give it back. What about what we learned in Sunday school, huh, Mildred?
Sunday school?
Mildred?
I haven't been to Sunday school in decades. I forgot what they taught in Sunday school.
Ooh, Mildred, I don't feel good about this thing now. Mildred, I just don't.
Wait.
I just don't feel good about it, Mildred.
Oh, you got some change. I get a change back.
Shut up, God! Oh, goodness. Mildred,
Wait, listen.
what do you think that God would want us to do?
Oh, I'm going to tell you what He wants us to do. Because I hear Him all the time. Yeah. He speaks to me too, you know.
That's not God that's speaking to you, Mildred.
What it is?
The devil.
I don't even know who He is. Anyway, listen. Just think about it. We were out there with our sweat. Look, we got dirt all on our face. We're going to have to get a facial. We can get a facial now. You can get electronics. What they call electronics. You know, when they when they take the hair out, and you don't have to have facial hair no more. Oh, let's get paid for that, Melvenia. Can't you see it? Just look. You don't have no more beard. They're going to be itching and stuff. And when Carl go to rub your face, it's going to be smooth like a newborn baby's bottom. Just think
something like that big bottom you carry there with all them dents in it. Maybe we'll get some. Give me money, Mildred. Maybe we can get you another butt made, Mildred. Here's some teeth.
I'm going to give you your part. Here you go. Because you didn't do a lot of work. I did most of the work, and I'm the one that found it. The one that found it, that's who it belongs to. So it's nice and kindness out of my own heart that I'm sharing this money with you.
Okay, just give me half. Just go half and half, maybe, okay?
Oh, no. I'm finna count it first. Sit down and count yours. Please get out of my life. Try to count the money.
You know what, Mildred?
1,
I can't do
2,
you. I just can't do you
3.
anymore. Maybe we should put you in a home.
4.
That's why you need to go to a home, sister. There's something wrong with you. Knock, knock.
With all this money, I'm gonna have me a personal nurse. Get a home.
Well, you need a nurse. Right now, you need a nurse to care for you and take care of that dead brain you got. I wonder if there's any bandages big enough for to tape up that silly head you got. You were around here stealing people
8,
money.
9,
Money, yeah.
10. Melvenia, sit down. I would hate to hurt you. What you doing, Melvenia?
Hello?
Who you calling? I can't hear you. Who you calling?
911.
You calling 911? Oh, wait a minute.
Hello?
Hello? Put the phone down.
Mildred,
Put the phone down now.
are you serious?
Am I serious? Don't I look like I'm serious?
Mildred, you done gone and pulled a gun out on me.
Well, you
Melvenia? Hiccup?
You can go and call the po-po. That's our money. I'm not going to let you do it, Melvenia. I'm not going to shoot you up there. I'm just going to shoot you in your feet.
Why don't you turn that gun around and shoot yourself in the head, Mildred? You done lost the gal. And I'm surprised that you here. Take it back.
Thank
I don't
you.
want no parts of it. I'm saved and sanctified, filled with the precious Holy Ghost and death with fire.
Good. I'm saved and sanctified too, and I'm rich.
Oh no.
I'm rich. I know you just better not touch that phone. You better not touch it. I said, don't touch the phone.